You don't need to go through the entire UX course provided by Google because I am here to provide the whole summary of it. And this is the part 1. Stay tuned. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. And I will be providing the whole summary, not skipping any part. So let's go. So basically, it has given a lot of details about UX. What is UX? So, firstly, what is UX? Let's understand it better. So, UX, user experience, is how a person feels when they use a product. Now, product doesn't mean just apps, it can be anything: a website, an app, a controller, even a knife, like if somebody wants to use it for another purpose. Earlier, ketchup used to come up in glass bottles. You must have heard this one. You had to hit it, the ketchup bottle, and then suddenly too much ketchup comes out. Now we have squeeze bottles. You can control it, simple change, but much better experience. That's UX. UX is not big changes, it's small decisions that make things easier. And for a product to feel good, it should be usable, equitable, enjoyable, and useful. Usable means easy to use, useful means it solves your problem, enjoyable means you actually like using it. It should work for everyone. For example, one person might like reading text, but someone with low vision might need sound. So, as a designers, we have to think beyond ourselves. UX is also about how people feels. Like when you order food online, you see photos, you read reviews, you feel more confident, and that's what make the experience better. But how do we know what users feel? We don't guess, we ask, we observe, we research. Because what we think is not always what users feel. Now, why does this matter for companies? Simple. When people like a product, they use it more, they recommend it, and that means more business. Think about any app you loved, you probably told someone about it. Like, for example, I really loved Duolingo, and I also recommended this app for my mom to learn English because it is so simple and easy to learn. As the gamification feature in Duolingo is really good, and I really loved it. UX designers are not just making screens, they are observing people, understanding behavior, solving problems, and most importantly, they are empathetic. Empathy means understanding how someone else feels. Here, we don't just need to think emotionally, but also respect as with a point of view of a business. So, we have to keep both things in mind while making decisions. There are different types of UX designers: interaction designers, how it works; visual designers, how it looks; motion designers, how it moves; and many more people are involved: researchers, writers, engineers. They all are the types of UX designers. UX is always a team effort. And how does a product get built? In simple steps: brainstorm ideas, define what to build, design, create, test, check with users, launch, release. It's just a process we should follow, and we can make some changes as per our requirements. They have explained very well about Norman's door. So it's like, have you also experienced this? Tried opening a door by pulling it, but you were supposed to push? I have experienced this a lot, and that's confusion, and that's a bad UX. And good design should not make you think. So, UX is not just design, it's understanding people, and honestly, that's what makes it interesting. I just love understanding people, talking to them, and observing them. Let's learn together. I am learning right now a lot of things. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you like, and thanks.